Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to change the YouTube videos subtitle size on desktop and mobile. So let's check it out. Google or YouTube might change the settings for doing all this in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will provide the updated steps for this. Have you ever wanted to adjust the subtitle text size of the YouTube videos you're watching? Sometimes it could be small and sometimes it could be bigger. So we will see the steps to fix this. To do this on our Android smartphone, we have to open the YouTube app and search for any video we want. And then we have to enable subtitles by selecting this CC icon. We can get the subtitles for this. This is the default subtitle size. If we want to change the size of this, we cannot directly do this inside the YouTube app, unfortunately. For that, we have to open our Android phone settings. We will get like this. We are using OnePlus smartphone for doing this right now. The steps might differ a bit for other brand smartphones, but we can always use the search option in the settings to search and get this. So we have to go to accessibility here, select this and then go to this. Here we have to go to hearing and we have to select caption and we have to enable this. That's all. Suppose if you are not getting this option, you can go to the search option in the settings, search for caption and we will get this. That's all. So here in the caption settings, we will get the option to enable this. We have to enable this and here we have the text size. We can select this. By default, it is medium, and suppose if I want to make it big, then I can go to large or very large. Now if I go to YouTube and play the video again, we will get a big subtitle text like this. And suppose if I want to have small text, I can select small and it will be small. That on the PlayStation portal. That's all. As you can see, it is very small. This will be applicable for YouTube and also for other similar video applications as well. If you are using an iOS device like iPhone, then you can go to settings, accessibility and then subtitles and captioning style, and on this page we can make the similar changes. That's all. And to do this on desktop, we can open a web browser and go to any YouTube video we want. Then we have to enable subtitles by selecting this CC option. Now if we want to change the subtitle text size, go to this gear settings icon, then go to subtitles and here we have this options, select that, then go to font size. By default it will be 100%. Suppose if I want the subtitle text to be smaller, I can select 50%. It will become small, and if I want it to be large, it will be large. That's all. These are the steps to change the YouTube videos subtitle size on desktop and mobile. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.